Happy Saturday and welcome to Bites with the Banks. I am Vanna, this is Bree, and welcome to our lovely channel. Today is the special Saturday snack edition. Today we have a couple of snacks that we would like to test, and we're going to do it for you guys. So Bree, are you ready to try these snacks?
I am. Are you excited?
Absolutely. As everyone already knows, I'm such a lover of peanut butter. So 3 of our snacks are You Got It! Well, this is our first snack that we're going to try today. It's called Reeses Crunchy Peanut Butter. So Bree, would you like to go ahead and do the honors of cutting it for us?
Alright, so the Reese's Crunchy Peanut Butter says peanuts, peanut butter cream, and peanut butter chocolate bar.
Yum.
And at our location, they only had the king size. So let me go ahead and open it up.
Thank you.
Alright, so let's try it.
Cheers.
Alright, up next we have Reese's Mallow-top. I'm assuming it's like a marshmallow. So it says marshmallow flavored cream with milk chocolate. Let's go ahead and open this up.
All right. Cheers.
Okay. Next we have the
Reeses Snack Bar. Let us know what it is, Brianna.
alright, peanuts, peanut butter cream, and whole grain brown rice.
So it's the brown rice, which means this is healthy.
Alright, next we have the Twix salted caramel. I'm really excited for this one because one of my favorite flavors is salted caramel. So let's go ahead and get into this one. And it says crunchy chocolate, sea salt, caramel, and creamy chocolate. Okay, last but not least, we have the Ferrero Rocher 55% cocoa dark hazelnut. This is what it looks like. Alright. And it says crunchy hazelnut pieces, exquisite creamy filling, and smooth chocolate. Looks like a bar. Oh, they make this thing hard to open. would you rank them? Least of favorite?
Love it. I also love dark chocolate. Least favorite. My least favorite would be the salted caramel Twix.
Okay.
No, my least favorite, I take that back, I'm sorry, is the Reeses Snack Bar. It tastes like a, you know those little bars that they give you that's like protein bars? It gave me a protein bar type taste.
Okay.
Then the salted caramel. Then the mallow. Then the Ferrero Rocher dark hazelnut. And my favorite is the crunchy peanut butter.
Okay.
What is yours?
So ranking mine least to favorite, I would have to agree. The Reeses Snack Bar would be in 5th place. 4th place, I would say the Twix salted caramel. It wasn't doing it for me. I'm a huge fan of salted caramel, so I was majorly disappointed with that one. Number 3 will be the Mallow-top, and number 2 will be the Ferrero Rocher. It was really good. I enjoyed that one. But my favorite was the Reese's peanut, crunchy peanut. It was
have the same line.
so good. Yeah. Great minds think alike.
All right, because I have a great mind. Thank you for letting the world know. Say it again for the people in the back,
Girl.
to let them know how your mother is what?
If you've made it this far in the video, go out to your nearest store and pick up some of these new treats. Come back and comment and let us know what you think about them in the comment section below, and let's talk about it.
Yes.
If you have made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We will see you guys Monday for Crumble Monday. Bye.